ready to move funds seamlessly between your Bybit accounts on the go. Let's jump right into how to deposit from your main account to a Subaccount using the Bybit mobile app. First, make sure you're logged in. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the Assets icon. This will take you to your Assets page. You should now see the overview of all your assets on Bybit. Make sure that you have selected the main account in the top left corner. If you have selected the incorrect tab, you will not be able to make the deposit. On the Assets page, spot the Transfer button. It usually has 2 arrows on it. Go ahead and tap that. This will take you to the transfer function. Here's where we tell Bybit where the funds are going. You'll see from and to options for from. Ensure that your main account is selected. Tap the To field to select where you're sending funds and then select Subaccount from the drop-down menu. Now, select the specific coin you want to transfer. After that, enter the amount you wish to deposit to your Subaccount. Double-check that you are depositing the correct coin and the correct amount. Review all the details to make sure you've got everything right and hit the Confirm button. You may need to complete a security verification, depending on your account settings. And that's it. A message should pop up confirming your successful transfer from your main account to your Subaccount. Easy, right? Now you know exactly how to manage your funds efficiently within Bybit using your phone.